Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to see an amazing homemade night cream that suits all skin types. Who doesn't know the benefit of using a night cream? But many a times we feel exhausted finding out the right cream for us. Maybe because we don't know what our skin type is, or simply a cream doesn't suit our skin. But the cream I'm going to show you today suits every skin types. At least the features of the natural ingredients used in this cream and my experiment say that. But if anyone has any doubt, then please do a patch test before using this cream. So let's see how we can prepare this cream, and I must add a line here: on regular uses of this cream you will find a beautiful glow to your face and you will notice an evenly toned skin. So let's see how we can prepare this. But before I start, hi, this is Shampa from Good Life with Shampa, and if you are watching this video on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon to support me and to get more videos like this. Now let's see how we can prepare this cream. To make this night cream, I need 4 simple ingredients. One is aloe vera gel. I'm using here Patanjali aloe vera gel, but you can use any brand aloe vera gel or the gel that suits your skin. Then rose water, sweet almond oil and vitamin E oil. Now I'm going to mix all of these ingredients. In a bowl, I'm taking 2 spoonfuls of aloe vera gel. Then I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of rose water. Then half teaspoon of sweet almond oil. And finally, oil from 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix well. And finally, the cream is ready. You can preserve this cream for 15 days. The cream is ready. Now the question arises, how can we apply this cream on our face? To apply this cream, you have to wash your face properly. Remove your makeup and clean your face. You may use any cleanser, or you can simply clean your face with a face wash and pat it dry, and then apply this cream using your fingertips. Apply this cream on your forehead, nose, under eyes, cheeks and chin. Cover all the areas and then massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. Do this every night before hitting the bed. Apply this cream daily and you will find a nice glow to your face and you will look young and fresh. So that's it. Hope this video will be helpful to you, and if you like this video, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Good Life with Shampa. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.